How do you train personnel to work at height without risking lives or slowing down production with live equipment? That was the challenge presented to us. At Spatio, we developed a fully immersive, custom-built work at height VR training suite, covering ladders, aerial work platforms, hanging staging, and fixed ladder systems. Trainees practice the entire workflow in a safe, controlled environment where every choice matters. The experience. The training begins with critical safety protocols, wearing the right harness, performing equipment inspections, and understanding fall clearance distances. In the ladder module, users practice pre-use checks, three-point contact, and correct posture during a ceiling installation task. In the aerial work platform module, they complete pre-operation inspections, secure harnesses to anchor points, and perform elevated tasks while maintaining balance and situational awareness. The hanging staging module reinforces team safety, from reviewing scaffolding tags and guardrails to handling tools securely at height. And in the fixed ladder module, trainees climb slowly, use safety systems for ladders over 20 feet, identify missing protections, and exercise stop work authority in unsafe conditions. Each module is built around the client's existing equipment and workflows, ensuring skills learned in VR translate seamlessly to real operations. This Work at Height VR suite is more than a training module. It's a complete system. With built-in evaluations and a manager-facing dashboard, you gain measurable insight into team readiness. Training becomes safer, scalable, and cost-efficient without needing live equipment. Our client reduced incident rates, improved compliance, and accelerated onboarding, all while protecting their workforce from avoidable risks. Train smarter, train safer, deploy with confidence. Book your demo with Spatio today.